Oh, holy, 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 bless the carpet. You look heavenly, you look divine, you look holy. Co-chair of the night, how does it feel? What does it mean to you?
Well, it's an honor. The Met Ball is something that I've always enjoyed being a part of. To co-host with Anna Wintour, it's a big deal. Donatella Versace, Amal Clooney, all ladies that I love and adore, so it's a special night.
Please tell me about your look tonight. You look so expensive.
I know, it feels expensive. It's heavy. It is designed by John Galliano, and we've had a few fittings. We've had it in a few colors. They beaded this by hand, and it would be a sin not to wear it.
It would be a sin not to wear it. Your whole body is glowing. Is that fancy?
You already know, girl.
You have an amazing night tonight. Thank you for blessing this carpet.
Thank you so much. You look gorgeous too, girl.
Oh, praise the Lord. Woo! I ain't gonna recover from that, nope.